For decades, it's been called the Watcher in the Sky. A mysterious object orbiting Earth in silence, out of reach, out of time, and, according to some, not of this world. NASA says it's just space debris. But others claim it's something far older and far more intelligent. Is it an alien probe? A relic of ancient technology? Or just another case of conspiracy gone wild? Today, we are diving into the strange story of the Black Knight satellite, one of the most enduring space mysteries of our time. 1. Origins and early sightings. The legend of the Black Knight satellite traces back to the late 19th and early 20th centuries, with some conspiracy theorists linking it to Nikola Tesla's experiments in 1899. Tesla claimed to have received unusual radio signals from outer space while working in Colorado Springs, which some modern theorists retroactively attribute to the Black Knight. The idea gained more traction in the 1950s when both American and Soviet radar systems reportedly detected an unidentified object in polar orbit, a feat neither country had publicly achieved at the time. In 1960, Time magazine reported on a mysterious dark object orbiting Earth, which the US military later claimed was a piece of space debris from a Discoverer satellite mission. However, believers in the Black Knight theory insist this was a cover-up, and that the object had been orbiting Earth for far longer, possibly thousands of years. These early accounts laid the foundation for the enduring mystery, blending real observations with speculation to create one of the most enduring space-related conspiracies. 2. NASA and Space Agency involvement. The most widely circulated piece of evidence tied to the Black Knight satellite conspiracy comes from a 1998 NASA mission, STS-88, the first space shuttle mission to the International Space Station. During the mission, astronauts captured a series of photographs showing a strange, black object floating in space. NASA later explained that the object was most likely a thermal blanket accidentally lost during an EVA, extravehicular activity, specifically from a trunnion pin used to secure a module. Despite this official explanation, conspiracy theorists seized on the photos, claiming they showed the Black Knight satellite in orbit. Over the years, various space agencies and experts have consistently refuted the existence of any unidentified or ancient satellite, attributing such sightings to space debris or misidentified man-made objects. However, the lack of transparent information from the Cold War era, combined with the mysterious look of the STS-88 images, fueled suspicions and allowed the legend to flourish. This mix of real space missions, misunderstood data, and speculative interpretation remains central to the myth's persistence. 3. Conspiracy theories and cultural impact. The Black Knight satellite has become a cornerstone of modern space-related conspiracy theories, often portrayed as evidence of extraterrestrial surveillance or ancient alien technology. Some believe it is an alien probe that has been orbiting Earth for over 13,000 years, sent by an advanced civilization to monitor humanity's development. This theory draws heavily from fringe interpretations of historical anomalies and pseudoscientific speculation, including the writings of authors like Erich von Däniken, who popularized the ancient astronaut theory. The Black Knight has also captured the imagination of UFO enthusiasts and paranormal researchers, many of whom tie it to broader claims of government cover-ups and secret space programs. Beyond the conspiracy community, the satellite has made its mark in pop culture, appearing in science fiction novels, documentaries, YouTube videos, and even memes. Its mysterious nature, vague origins, and striking imagery make it an ideal symbol of the unknown, a blank canvas onto which people project their fears, hopes, or distrust of official narratives. Whether viewed as a real threat, a misunderstood object, or a myth, the Black Knight satellite continues to influence how people think about space, technology, and the possibility that we are not alone. In the end, the mystery of the Black Knight satellite represents more than just a strange object orbiting Earth, it reflects our complex relationship with the unknown. On one hand, we have science, observation, and reason, NASA's explanations, photographic evidence of space debris, and the rational voices of astronomers who tell us there's nothing extraordinary here. But on the other hand, we have the human imagination, our need to believe that we are part of a larger story, that something, or someone, might be watching, guiding, or waiting. For some, the Black Knight is proof of a hidden truth, a sign of ancient visitors or secret knowledge long buried. For others, it's a prime example of how myths form, how one photo, one article, one unexplained event can snowball into a global theory. And maybe that's what makes it so fascinating. Because whether it's real or not, the Black Knight forces us to ask, how much do we really know about our past and our place in the universe? Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's everything. But until we have a definitive answer, the story will live on, in books, online forums, documentaries, and in the minds of those who continue to search the skies for more than just stars. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of space's greatest mysteries, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think the Black Knight satellite really is? Let's talk about it, because sometimes the best part of a mystery is the conversation it sparks.